Hi, everyone. I'm Michael Deneau. I'm one of the new co-leads of the Nonclinical Topics Working Group, along with Kevin Snyder and Sue DeHaven. I'm a supervisor in the Global Data Management Group at LabCorp Drug Development, which is the team that handles all of our SEND dataset production. Today, I'll be talking about what has been going on in the Nonclinical Topics Working Group since the last CSS. We currently have 7 active projects with some new deliverables, 6 of which have been ongoing since our last CSS. Harmonization of SEND implementation to enable historical controlled data analysis has 2 white papers near completion, which will deliver recommendations to optimize modeling of dose formulation vehicle data and study control types. Non-clinical script assessment continues to enhance the SEND data factory for optimizing realism and performance. They have leveraged the R programming skills of members to develop the SENDigger package to generate and search a non-clinical historical database. Visit the PHUSE GitHub site to find these deliverables and other resources developed for non-clinical use, such as real study datasets used in the pilot conducted by the SEND Perceiver team. Non-clinical study data reviewers guide team has updated the template and guide to meet current validation practices and improve usability. The deliverable is out for public review now on PHUSE Advanced Hub. SEND Dataset QC Best Practices has written a white paper outlining industry practices and challenges of quality control processes, derived from a public survey and have included their recommendations. The deliverable is out for public review now and on the PHUSE Advanced Hub. SEND Implementation User Group has worked with the PHUSE office this year to overcome the technology transition from the old wiki to a new forum on the PHUSE Advanced Hub. They are looking forward to relaunching their public FAQ and forum exchange capabilities. SEND Industry Feedback Survey has conducted their 7th annual survey of industry on important aspects of SEND implementation. This year's survey focused on SEND IG and eData usability, among other elements. Results will be presented this week in a non-clinical breakout session. Finally, testing simplified TS examples against FDA technical rejection criteria has results to share across industry on how to ensure submissions will pass the TRC successfully. This newest project started this July 2021 and has already shared learnings in August that were beneficial to sponsors submitting non-clinical data to FDA. Preparers of SEND data packages also found this information extremely helpful. You can check out the recording of the August webinar on the PHUSE Advanced Hub deliverables page. The working group is also convening a discussion group to explore the value and potential customers of a new project proposal for tabulation of non-clinical study conclusions as a useful tool for structured management of this knowledge. This discussion will accumulate at CSS with a determination whether to engage in an implementation project. In addition to these project presentations and discussions, the non-clinical breakout highlight this year at CSS is a discussion Monday afternoon on translational safety analytics through a collaboration with the Safety Analytics Working Group to explore ideas on impacts of non-clinical data on the robustness of cross-disciplinary aggregate safety assessment. It should be a lively and truly translational joint clinical non-clinical session. And finally, watch for the non-clinical working group poster session this Tuesday at CSS. Thanks, everyone.